components of Industry 4.0 and some of you might having the idea. आप में से कई लोग ऐसे भी हैं जिन्होंने ये ऑलरेडी देख लिया है कि इंडस्ट्री 4.0 में कौन कौन से कंपोनेंट्स हैं, बट majority of the participants are not having that manufacturing or industry 4.0 background. That's why we are starting with those fundamentals also. So for some it may be repetition, for some it may be new, but then we'll have to proceed. So if we see here, there are 6 to 7 core technologies which are forming the base of Industry 4.0. As such, it is philosophy. यहाँ पर कोई बंद बॉक्स ऐसा नहीं कि इस ये सब हो इसको इंडस्ट्री 4.0 बोल सकते हैं, अगर ये कुछ नहीं है तो इंडस्ट्री 4.0 नहीं बोल सकते. So it is just a concept which is not the concrete concept. Like first law of thermodynamics if we are teaching, તો એમાં સ્ટેટમેન્ટ આપેલું છે, એ સ્ટેટમેન્ટને વાયોલેટ થતું હોય એ બધું ક્લિયર કટ ડિફાઇન થઈ શકે. We can define that it is violating this statement. But sometimes if we say a mobile is also having the technologies which are coming under Industry 4.0. So production of mobile it is having already following the philosophy of Industry 4.0. And many of the advanced technologies if we see, so there are various fundamentals which we are including here are also obeyed there. But whether it is part of Industry 4.0 or not, again it is subjective. It may be a matter of discussion. But here what we are going to do is, what are the basic technologies which is on the it is a conceptual framework. It is not the rigid or concrete framework, but conceptually we can say that if these basic technologies are there in the system, then we can say that this system is as per the Industry 4.0 regulations. As such, there are no regulations, but it is following the Industry 4.0 norms in that sense. So if we see what has led to this Industry 4.0, there are various manufacturing changes as the time goes on. In 90s, we almost all of us have lived in that era. In 90s, the focus was on quality. Whatever manufacturing advances, manufacturing processes, changes, industrial changes, we are focusing on quality. That whatever changes we are making, it should improve the quality. Then on in 2000s, the focus was changed from quality to again safety. So whatever changes were there, they were focusing on safety aspects of whatever manufacturing process or technologies. So it is not just related to manufacturing process, but it is again related to advancements in any of the technologies. तो सेफ्टी पर हम ध्यान देते थे, उसके बाद एनवायरमेंटल इश्यूज हुए, तो अभी जो हम सोच रहे हैं वो क्या है कि whatever advancement is there, there should be sustainability in those advancements. तो फोकस धीरे धीरे चेंज होता जा रहा है. सो इंडस्ट्रीज में, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर में these changes are happening. So automation again, जैसे इंडस्ट्री रिवोल्यूशंस हम बोलते हैं, इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन 1, 2, 3, 4, all of us are aware of that. So I am not repeating those things. So जब हम सस्टेनेबिलिटी की बात करते हैं, these are 4 R's: reuse, reduce material waste, reuse, recycle and reuse. We are focusing on these aspects nowadays, that whatever technological advancements are there, it should be focused on this. So if we see the evolution, first industrial revolution, second industrial revolution which was started in US in the automobile productions, third revolution which is computer and automation after the second world war. बेसिकली सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के टाइम पर टेक्नोलॉजिकल रिक्वायरमेंट्स थे, तो MITs में जो इन्वेंशंस हुए, those inventions were specifically for defense sector. But then those things, जैसे हम NCCNC पढ़ते तो उसकी शुरुआत वहाँ से हो गई, and then automation came. So that phase is basically for third revolution, and nowadays fourth revolution, it is cyber physical systems. So we are not going into these theoretical details more. These are the fundamental or foundational technologies for Industry 4.0. First one is adaptive robotics. So robotics was there during the automation. Now what is adaptive robotics?